Hi there, friends! It's your friendly baby shark. Guess what? Today, while we're drawing me, I'm here to share some fantastic and jawsome facts about sharks. Let's dive in. Did you know there are over 500 species of sharks in the ocean? Yep, I've got a lot of cousins. Some are huge, like the whale shark. That's the biggest fish in the world. It's so big that if it opened its mouth, you could probably fit inside. But don't worry, it only eats tiny plankton. And have you heard of the lantern shark? It's one of my teenest cousins. It's smaller than a ruler and glows in the dark. Isn't that awesome? Imagine playing hide and seek with it. Good luck hiding if you're glowing like a flashlight. Here's a cool fact about me and my sharky friends. We don't have bones. Nope, not even one. Our skeletons are made of cartilage, the same stuff your nose and ears are made of. That's why we're such great swimmers, super flexible and super speedy. And get this, sharks' teeth are like conveyor belts. If one tooth falls out, another one slides right into place. It's like having a never-ending supply of teeth. Imagine if you could do that with candy. Finish one, and poof, another one appears. Yum. You've probably seen sharks with scary, sharp teeth in movies, right? But did you know some sharks don't even use their teeth? My pal, the basking shark, swims around with its mouth wide open, just scooping up food like a giant vacuum cleaner. Ah! I bet it would win every spaghetti eating contest ever. And guess what's even cooler? Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. That's older than dinosaurs. Talk about ancient and awesome. I mean, imagine being invited to a dinosaur's birthday party. Hey T-Rex, pass me the cake. Oops, never mind, you've got tiny arms. Here's a fun riddle for you. What kind of shark loves to gamble? Card shark, get it? Card shark? Okay, I'll stick to swimming. Now, let's talk about my favorite part of being a baby shark. I get to play hide and seek in coral reefs. They're like underwater playgrounds. But you know what's really funny? My Uncle Hammerhead can't ever hide. His head is too wide. Sorry, Uncle Hammerhead, but maybe next time try a new game. And before I go, here's a secret. Sharks can hear so well, we can detect sounds from miles away. So, if you're ever singing underwater, we'll know. And don't worry, we'll love your singing, even if it's a bit fishy. All right, friends, that's all for today. Thanks for swimming by and listening to my sharky tales. You're jawsome. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Baby Shark, signing out. Bye.